Hello and welcome back to Draw Along with Me. This is video number 3. Today I'm going to show you one way to draw a dump truck. So you need a piece of paper and something to draw with. I'm going to use Sharpie just like I've been doing. It's just easier for you to be able to see it in the video. This art lesson was inspired by one of my son's favorite toys, which is a dump truck. So grab some paper and something to draw with and we'll get started. Pause the video as you need to and draw along with me. So as you can see from this dump truck, there's lots of basic shapes, circles, rectangles, ovals, and I usually, when I draw something, it's never the same way twice, and that's fine. It's just, you can make it unique, make it yours. So you're gonna start over here, like the other drawings, you're gonna make it really big and really fill up your paper. I'm gonna start with a cab, and so I'm gonna make a diagonal line going up, and then a horizontal line going across. The front of the truck, like the hood, is gonna slope down, and I'm gonna stop right about there. There's the wheel well. It's gonna go right over the wheel. You're gonna stop right about here because we gotta draw the bottom of it. It's the bottom of the truck. And right about where that stops is where this is gonna stop. You're gonna go up and over to finish off the cab of the dump truck. Draw a line straight down. And it's helpful if you go ahead and put the wheel on. It just looks empty without it. So I've got 3 circles all together. Next thing we're gonna do is draw the dumper. And it's gonna start over the cab a little bit, so make a little bit, almost like a rectangle, and then slide down the back of the cab. Don't touch it yet. And then for the top, you're gonna go, drop down just a little bit. You may want to drop down a little earlier than that. Like this one, I dropped down a little sooner, but either way is fine. Not quite at the bottom of the line, go up a little bit, make another horizontal line, and then slope all the way down. Now we gotta add the other 2 wheels back here. And I'm gonna start actually right about, if I can make it even with that one. You know, I don't want a lopsided dump truck. That'd be hard to carry a heavy load. Add 3 circles. You got the tire, and then you got the inside part with all the lug nuts and stuff. You can add some extra circles for the lug nuts if you want to. Those just hold the tire in place. I'll just add a couple of those on all my wheels. Dump trucks are heavy duty. And then the bottom part of the dumper is gonna come right above those tires. My tires probably should have been a little bit bigger, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna add this part right here, and you gotta have some step sides. You gotta get the trucker has to be able to get into the dump truck because they're really, really tall. I'm gonna add a flashing light on top, and then a triangle window, and then a square. Kind of like a rectangle, I guess. A square window, a rectangle window, either one. And then you need a door handle so that your trucker can get into the dump truck. And any other details that you want to add, maybe you want to add some of these vertical lines going down, maybe you want to add an exhaust pipe coming out the top or the side. You can add any other components that you want to your dump truck. I think I'll add a couple of vertical lines just to break up all that space. Just add some, variety, some shapes over here. Long rectangles all the way down the dumper. And if you want, you can add like a bumpy gravel road. Maybe the truck is, driving down a bumpy road, gonna go pick up some asphalt or some rock, something like that. So there's your dump truck. Color it any way that you want to. Leave it black and white. Color it, blue or purple, green, whatever color you want. So there's your dump truck. See you next time.